Okay, so here is a quick video unboxing of the Ring Pro camera doorbell. I've bought this to replace the more larger original version of the Ring doorbell. For the Ring Pro, in the box you do also receive this chime, which will sound a noise once the external bell is pressed. This was not included in the original Ring doorbell. In addition, you also receive a number of different colored faceplates, again, which was not provided on the original Ring doorbell. That did not have a removable faceplate, but the Ring Pro version does have removable faceplates. And you get a brownish looking color, a white color or cream color, and a black color, including the silver faceplate that comes attached to the bell. Now if you're in the UK, you'll also receive this quite large bulky looking transformer, and this is a requirement to attach with your existing wiring, and this is what will be required to allow the doorbell to function. So your original wiring in the UK may not be compatible with the Ring Pro doorbell, and you may need to get this large looking transformer fitted. As you can see, a quick comparison between the size of the two doorbells. There's not a huge difference, in all honesty, between the size. However, the Ring Pro doorbell does seem to have a more accurate form factor that you would normally expect with a doorbell, being tall and less wide, whereas the original Ring doorbell was pretty wide and bulky. So in addition, in the box you also, so this is the transformer that I was referring to, which if you want to use your existing wiring, you'll need to get this fitted. This is where you're recommended to use a qualified electrician, which may be costly, and I'll show you a quick shortcut, another simpler way in a very short while. Let's just see what's included in this blue box that comes in the pack. So you have all these plug adapters, and they're all for the Ring Pro chime. So moving in again, and we also have in the box a number of different wire connectors. As you can see, those were just the screws, and these are wire connectors for your existing wiring. And there's a number of additional items included, such as diodes and connectors to go from your existing wiring onto the Ring Pro. Now I bought this adapter from Amazon, made by a manufacturer called LANMU, which simply has a transformer built into a AC plug unit, and you simply have to just plug this into a spare electrical outlet, and you would connect the other side, the two rings, onto your Ring Pro. The benefit of this is literally anyone can do this, and it will mean you may save the cost of hiring an electrician or getting a professional to install the doorbell. I'll just quickly show you how simple it is to connect this plug wiring onto the Ring Pro doorbell. So you can just use the screwdriver provided by Ring in the box. You just remove the two screws that are covering the wire outlets where your existing wiring may connect, or in this case where I'm going to be using this plug adapter's wiring. You just have to align the ring with the actual holes, and once done, you just simply take the screws, screw it back in using the screwdriver, and it's literally that simple to get your Ring Pro doorbell wired up. This adapter cost me around about £16 from Amazon UK. The LANMU version that I bought, the reason I bought this one was the cable length is 5 meters, so it should give you enough flexibility to move or place your wiring and plug in a suitable place. And that's it. This is how simple it is to connect this adapter, and I'll just show you just by plugging this in to prove that this does power up the Ring Pro doorbell. once connected, you just have to press the ring button, and you will now see a very faint white rotating indicator, which shows that the Pro Doorbell has picked up power. I'm just going to shut some lighting on this video so it makes it a bit easier for you to see this. There you go, and this is how simple it was to install the Ring Pro Doorbell power adapter. Hope you found this video useful. Please do like and please do subscribe, and I hope this video was of use to you. Thank you.